Hey there, welcome to Rose. In this video, we'll be looking at how you could create advanced charts powered by Python using our AI Analyst. Let's dive right in. So I've got a bunch of data in this particular spreadsheet, and the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open our AI Analyst here, and then prompt it to, let's say in this case, create a waterfall chart using the data in the statement table, and hit enter. Give it a couple seconds for the analyst to do its magic, and you should see a chart being created in a few seconds. And there we go. The chart has now been created, and we can ask it a bunch of follow things to do as well. So for instance, I'm going to ask it to use brighter versions of the same color. Give it a couple more seconds, and there you go. You can ask it a bunch of other things to do as well. For instance, I'm going to ask it to change revenue to green color. And there we have it. You can also edit the source of this chart as well by navigating to this icon here and clicking on the source. And there you have it. There's this Python code that's written. I'm going to go ahead and close this particular panel here and go back to our analyst here. Next, let's see how we can create a bunch of different kind of charts as well. So in this case, let's go with a candlestick. You can continue chatting in the same chat window here or create a new chat as well. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new chat here and ask it to create a candlestick chart using the data from the stock data table, and hit enter. Give it a couple seconds for it to create a candlestick chart. There we have it. And the same principle applies. Feel free to ask the analyst to make any edits. If you want to change the color scheme, if you want to add more variables to the chart, feel free to do that. Let's move on to the next chart. Here, we're going to create a heat map chart. So for that, I'm going to ask it to directly create a heat map chart using the data in sales table. Give it a couple seconds here. And here you go. Here's a heat map of all the different sales that were generated throughout the week at different intervals of time. Let's look at the next type of chart that we can create. So in this case, I'm going to ask the analyst to create a doughnut chart using the data in the expenses table. Hit enter. As always, give it a couple seconds for the analyst to do its magic. And there we have a great looking donut chart right there. Let's move on to the next type of chart that you can create, and that's going to be an org chart. For this, I'm going to go ahead and create a new chat context and ask the analyst to create an org chart using the data in the employees table, and hit enter. And there we go. The analyst created the org chart using Python as the source. There's a variety of charts you can now create using the analyst, so give this a go and let us know what you think. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.